Have you ever had trouble meditating, finding the right place, staying in the zone? If you have, I know exactly how you feel because I've felt that way too. But I found a way that works for me and I'd like to share it with you. My name is Maddie and I stay in my meditative zone by just playing with string. They say 3 is a magical number. If 3 is good, then 3 3s are even better. So my first 3, what can this channel bring to you? 1, I can teach you some yarn crafts. 2, I can give you some guided meditations that might help you. And 3, we'll do some simple sequence projects together, step by step. Why yarn crafts? They're relaxing. 1, they're tactile. It feels good running through your fingers. 2, the motions are slow and they have a rhythm to them. They create muscle memory, and that muscle memory helps keep you in the zone and get you there quicker. And 3, you can create the tools you want and charge them with whatever intention you want to bring to your meditation. The last 3, those are for you. Number 1, keep an open mind. Number 2, give it a try. Run some yarn through your fingers the next time you meditate. And 3, here's the important one. Hit that subscribe button and make sure that you ring that bell for notifications for the next video. Before you know it, you'll be turning this into this. It's magical. See you next time.